Good evening children, this is Padma from GK Jain Schools. Let's continue with integral calculus from 12th business maths. Till exercise 2.4 we saw about integration by decomposition. Today we are going to start with exercise 2.5 which will be having integration by parts and the important formula involved in that concept. So we will move on to the exercise now. We will see what is called integration by parts. It is similar to the differentiation UV method and U by V method. Okay, we have UV method and U by V method. Similarly, in integration, we will be using integration by parts. It is integral U dV is equal to UV minus integral V du. And what has to be taken as U and dV is by using this formula ILATE. I stands for inverse trigonometric function, L logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometric and E exponential. Example 2.27, evaluate integral x cube log x dx. Okay, so just now we saw how to differentiate what is u and what is dv using ILATE. I stands for the inverse trigonometric function, that is sine inverse, cos inverse, like that, and L for the logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometric and E exponential. Here we are having algebraic and logarithmic together. So logarithmic is in the second position, so it has to be taken as u. So u is equal to log x and dv will be x cube dx. So u has to be differentiated and dv has to be integrated. We will be doing both the things together. So u, when I am differentiating, it is du is equal to 1 by x dx, and when I am integrating dv I will get v, and x cube, integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Now the integration by parts formula is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Now substitute u into v, that is log x into x power 4 by 4. See, I have written minus integral v, that is x power 4 by 4 into du is 1 by x into dx. So x and x power 4 will get cancelled. So I am getting it to be x cube here. So once again when I am integrating x cube, I will get it to be x power 4 by 4. Now listen, I am having x power by 4 here also common, here also common. So I can take it outside. So I am getting the answer to be log x minus 1 by 4. That is x power 4 by 4 into log x minus 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, now we will see the next sum. Example 2.28. Evaluate integral log x square. So by ILATE, here you are having log x and dx only. So similarly, u will be taken as log x the whole square and dv is simply dx. When you are not having any other thing, you can take dx, that's all. So differentiating this, du is equal to log x the whole square means first I have to differentiate this power. So it will be 2 log x into, again differentiating log x, I will get 1 by x into dx. That is 2 log x by x into dx. And here when I am integrating, integral dv is equal to integral dx, that is v is equal to x plus c. Now substitute in the integration by parts formula. What is the formula? Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. That is u into v. So log x the whole square into x minus integral v du. That is x into du is 2 log x by x into dx. So I have written it here. X and x will get cancelled. I can take the 2 outside. So I am getting x into log x the whole square minus 2 into integral of log x dx. So see, again I am having it to be log x dx here, which cannot be integrated directly. Okay, so what I will do, again I will use ILATE method. So using ILATE, u will be taken as log x and dv will be taken as dx. So differentiating u, I will get 1 by x dx, and in integrating dv, I will get v equal to x. So once again substituting, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. This part alone first I will write it off, that is integral log x dx part, which is equal to u into v. What is my u here? Log x into x, that is x log x, minus integral v du, that is x into du is 1 by x into dx. So x and x will get cancelled, so dx alone. So integration of dx is x. So this part, this answer, I will fill it up over here after the 2. So I am getting it to be x log x the whole square minus 2 into this part, that is x log x minus x plus c. So c is the integration constant, so it is not must that you have to multiply the constant 2 with c also. So multiplying, I am getting it to be 2 into x log x, that is 2x log x, and minus into minus will become plus because before 2 there is a minus sign. So we will get plus 2x. So the answer is log x, integral log x the whole square dx is equal to x into, you can take the x outside, you are having x common on all the three terms. So x into log x whole square minus log x square plus 2 plus c. Okay, now we'll move on to the exercise. Exercise, we are having 6 sums. I have done 3 sums, and rest of the sums you can do it as homework. See the second sum. Evaluate integral x cube e power 3x dx. So here also using isolate. I is inverse trigonometric, L logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometric and E exponential. So first comes algebraic. So U will be x cube and last the exponential. So integral dv will be e power 3x dx. So this is very important sum. You will be having too much of substitution over here. Okay. So now we'll see. Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Okay, so what is my u? When I am differentiating du, I am getting it to be 3x square dx, and when I am integrating, this is e power ax. Integration of e power ax is e power ax by a, so it is e power 3x by 3. So now I am getting it to be substituting u into v, that is x cube into e power 3x by 3. I have written it minus integral v du, that is e power 3x by 3 into du is 3x square dx. See, so this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, leaving x square e power 3x. Now again I have to integrate this. So I'll substitute, I'll consider this part x square e power 3x dx. I'll take what is u and what is dv. Once again I'll use integration by parts. So what is my u here? Here also algebraic, so u is equal to x square, so du is equal to 2x dx, and integral dv is equal to integral e power 3x. E power 3x is again e power 3x by 3. So substituting that, I am getting 2 by 3, which is a constant. I can take it outside. So taking it outside, I am again getting it to be x e power 3x dx. So once again in this expression we will use integration by parts, where u will be x and dv will be e power 3x. So again I am getting it to be du is dx and v is e power 3x by 3. Now for this part alone I will substitute, that is uv. U is x and v is e power 3x by 3 minus integral v du. This is my v, e power 3x by 3 into du is dx. So integrating this, I will get it to be e power 3x by 3. There is already 3 in the denominator, that is e power 3x by 9 plus c. Now what I have to do, I will substitute all in the first main expression, that is integral x cube e power 3x dx is equal to x power cube e power 3x by 3 minus this part is there, no, x square e power 3x plus dx. There I will substitute this answer, and over here I will substitute this answer. Okay, so it is like chain reaction. Chain substitution. You will be keep on substituting one by one. Okay, so you will be getting it as x cube e power 3x by 3 minus here x square e power 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 into x e power 3x by 3 minus e power 3x by 9. I have substituted everything now. So taking the sign inside and multiplying the 2 by 3 inside, I am getting the answer to be x cube e power 3x by 3 minus x square e power 3x by 3 plus 2x e power 3x by 9 minus 2 e power 3x by 27 plus c. Now if you are having any common term, you can take it outside. So I will take this e power 3x outside, leaving the answer to be x cube e power 3x into x cube by 3 minus x square by 3 plus 2x by 9 minus 22 by 27 plus c. So this is very important 5 mark sum. Okay, now we'll move on to the fifth sum, integral x power n log x dx. So here also by isolate, u will be log x and integral dv will be x power n dx. So integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx. So substituting in this formula, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. I am getting it like to be x power n, that is integral of this part I have to integrate again. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by x. I can take this 1 by n plus 1 outside, and I can bring this x to the numerator, which will get x power minus 1. So base are same, powers can be added. So this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So it is x power n dx. So integrating x power n, I will get it to be x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now see, I am having 1 by n plus 1 common in both the terms. So taking it outside, also x power n plus 1. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Fine. Now we'll move on to the sixth sum. evaluate integral x power 5 e power x square dx. This is also very important 5 mark sum. This cannot be integrated without substitution method. We will be using two different methods here, substitution as well as integration by parts. So first we'll split this x power 5 as x power 4 into x into e power x square, so that we can use the substitution method. Again x power 4 I'll write it as x square the whole square into x into e power x square dx. Now I'll substitute x square as t. So my dt, that is I'm differentiating t, I'll get dt, and differentiating x square I'll get 2x dx. So in the place of x dx, because here see here I'm having x and dx, so in the place of x dx I can write it as dt by 2. So now I'll substitute here integral x square the whole square into x into e power x square dx is equal to integral. So what is x square? X square is t, so x square the whole square means t square into, now x dx, this x dx can be written as dt by 2, and e power x square is t, so e power t. See, we have got the simplified form now, that is 1 by t. You can take this 1 by t outside. 1 by t integral t square e power t dt. Fine. Now using isolate, here also this will be considered as the algebraic function and this will be considered as the exponential function. So using the formula u is equal to t square, differentiating you will get it as du is equal to 2t dt, and dv integrating I will get e power t. Substituting in the formula, that is 1 by t integral t square e power t dt, 1 by 2 into, what is the formula? uv minus integral v du. This is your u, t square e power t minus integral v du e power t 2t dt. Again I will take 2 outside, I am having it to be t e power t. So this e power t, t e power t, once again I will use the integration by parts, and after integrating that also I am getting the answer to be e power t by 2 into t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. Now what is my t? T is actually x square, so I will substitute in the place of t as x square. I am getting the answer to be integral x power 5 e power x square dx is equal to e power x square by 2 into x power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. So this is how you have to do this sum. This is very important 5 mark sum. Hope all of you will be clear with the concept of integration by parts, and we have completed the exercise 2.5 also. In next class we will be seeing about exercise 2.6. Thank you children.